Since its foundation in 1958, the ROHM Group has already committed itself to support society's development and to enrich people's lives. Built in the spirit of high-quality Japanese craftsmanship, the company has grown into a globally operating corporate group with production facilities, design centers, and sales offices in many countries of the world. In the middle of Europe lies the EMEA branch with headquarters near Düsseldorf, Germany, as well as offices in France, England, Spain, Italy, the Software Design Center in Finland, and the warehouse in the Czech Republic. The idea behind this branch structure is to think globally and act locally. This way, ROHM aims to provide customers all over Europe with expert contact persons who can grasp complex issues in the respective language and contribute to the solutions of design challenges.
ROHM recognized the high significance of Europe as a location early on. Over the past plus 50 years, our company has significantly grown on a European scale and expanded its presence in this important market. With our application-oriented approach, we offer expert knowledge from various industries to encounter our customers as partners at eye level. Moreover, we support many companies to push the energy transition with highly efficient power semiconductors. To test and qualify those products, we have opened state-of-the-art power and quality assurance labs in our European headquarters near Düsseldorf, Germany.
ROHM's vertically integrated supply chain includes all front-end and back-end processes in-house, from SI and SiC wafer production up to product assembly. The company's highly efficient power semiconductor products can be found in various fields of application. Next to automotive applications, for example, in industrial applications such as energy conversion and factory automation. All these modern energy-saving and sustainable technologies can only be realized with the help of valuable raw material. Silicon carbide, SiC, is the material of choice for many applications due to its advantageous properties compared to silicon. ROHM produces this special material in the heart of Europe in Nuremberg, located in the south of Germany. The SiC substrate is produced here, from which wafers are manufactured that form the basis for various SiC products.
Silicon carbide substrates are the indispensable basis for SiC devices, enabling superior semiconductor electronics. No surprise that the demand for those substrates is continuously rising strongly. But only very few suppliers are able to control the complex manufacturing process, producing state-of-the-art SiC substrates at a high quality level and in large quantities. Being a member of the ROHM Group, SeaCrystal as one of the top SiC substrate suppliers worldwide will guarantee ROHM supply at any time. This means quantity, quality and state-of-the-art products such as 8-inch diameter substrates. To meet the future demand, ROHM's in-house supplier SeaCrystal will continue to grow fast. Our Nuremberg fab in Germany is currently being expanded at high speed. In parallel with this, we are also considering the next expansion of production capacity. The success story of SiC at ROHM will be continued.
At ROHM, we think globally and act locally. We speak 32 languages, including yours.